I alternate using between size 12, size 14, and size 15. Also, each brush from a different manufacturers are sometimes it's a little bit slightly different, but they shouldn't be that big of a difference at all. Hey Nuna, how are you? Hey Moneybag. Hi Lucy, Foxy, hello, how are you? Okay, so I am going to pick several different cool. You can see that I can pull one of really cute, super cute unicorn. She's so cute. The different colors as well. I'm gonna get another one. Okay, so she is silver. I'm gonna play them like this. It's really cool. I so obsessed with this. I think maybe my sets next time should be this cute. I keep always saying it, so maybe I should do one nails of each design. Okay. The powder set. So I'm just tap a little bit. This is the, you can do it encapsulating with the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. It is for you as the fans doing a liquid and powder. So, all right. If I'm happy with the way I'm placing it, and if you place it in different way, I think it looks beautiful as well. So I am gonna pick up my crystal clear and cap this before I am gonna do some ombre. Or if the clients don't want an ombre, they just want just like a glass nails with glitters and unicorn, just do whole nails and cap it with clear. I think it's gonna look so dramatic after you finish and put the top coat on. And I'm gonna blend it, and using the body of the brush, just guide that clear all the way. How everyone doing Friday? Today Friday, I can't believe it's Friday already. Time flies so fast. Hope everyone doing great. Just cut off the excess powder. I'm not worried at the end because I am going to shape it later. Great. Shape and buff it later. So meticulous. Okay. So now I'm gonna do using a number 29B, I believe, from Chizo Nail Art, just smaller beads. And I place right where I finish with my clear. And when it's still wet, I'm taking advantage from that and using basically lay my brush flat and using the body of it to blend the powder to give it effects of an ombre. And if you need to get extra more To blend more, you can. So I'm going to do some crystals on this one as well. And then now the second beads, pick up another beads about the same size as the one you did. This is a great techniques for beginners, so then you can achieve ombre easy. And now is the time for you to like really perfect your cuticles area without have to worry about blending your ombre. Looks good, like you're doing it flat. So now after we finish and you're happy with your ombre, I am going to using a crystal clears and cap right between the pink and clear. So then when you fine them and buff them, it won't take away from the beautiful ombre you've been building it. Beautiful. And you can add more crystal, more glitters, or however you want it. I'm really obsessed with this. Great. So let this one set.